Sammy fam. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite dishes, an Argentinian style choripan. Now choripan is literally chorizo and bread. But we're going to start by making a very simple rendition of a chimichurri sauce. We have fresh oregano, we have fresh cilantro, and fresh parsley. Just stuffing it all in this little blender smoothie container. Red wine vinegar. About 2 tablespoons. Fresh garlic. And a few green onions. I just need a quick rinse. When I put green onions into one of these sauces, I like to leave them as a big stick because they twirl around in there and serve to mix everything up real well before they get ground up. We're going to add some lemon juice. Make sure none of these seeds fall in there. Some olive oil. About 3 tablespoons. Wait, 4 tablespoons. I stand corrected. And some salt. And who can forget crushed red pepper? You gotta have that heat. Let's give it a good blend. There we go. That looks delicious and it smells amazing. So fresh. It's gonna go great with our sausage. Now we're gonna make a really simple kind of salsa. I already have chopped white onions ready. I'm gonna throw in some chopped tomatoes, a little bit of our red wine vinegar, a little bit of our olive oil, the other half of the lemon, and a little salt. Just a touch of that cracked red pepper, kind of bring out all the flavors. When I said simple salsa, I meant simple. It's just going to be bright and acidic and complement everything else on the sandwich so well. We have a simple kind of East Coast style roll here. It's not what you would traditionally use if you were, probably in South America, but I'm in New York City, so this is how I want to have my hoagie. I'm going to throw it in the oven and get it a little bit toasty. I love that you can get 20 different types of chorizo representing every single Latin country in the world. So today we're using the Argentinian chorizo to try to be true to the Argentinian origins of the sandwich. But I like all different types of chorizo. Argentinian chorizo is traditionally flavored with red wine, like a Malbec, pepper, garlic, paprika. Grill mine up in our cast iron pan. I like to split them and grill them face down first. I want to get a nice kind of crust on it. And to do that, I'm going to just go weight it down with my baby pan. Let's get our bread out, just getting a little bit crispy. Perfect. I didn't really want to burn it at all, just help it hold up to all the wet ingredients we're going to put on it later. Let's see how our sausage is doing. Oh yeah, that's starting to look good there. I love that nice brown on there, sizzling and all the fat that's come out. Let's get the other side nice and browned up and we'll be ready to assemble our sandwich. Perfect. Poppy-like. Now if I can only pick them up. Jesus. There. Oh. Spoke too soon. Wow. That was hard. I'm going to chop up our sausage to make it a little bit easier to eat. I'm going to start with a little bit of mayonnaise, a non-traditional element, but I want a little creaminess and fat to this very tangy, light and floral sandwich. Get all our little sausage chunks on here. So every bite will be full of juicy flavor. Oh, God, my sausage tastes so good. Let's get some of our chimichurri on here. That color is gorgeous. I like having a sandwich that's a feast for the eyes as well as the stomach. Our delicious, light, tangy salsa. Slop it on. And I have some cotija cheese crumbled up that I'll put on there too. This is a garden of delights. Oh wow, this is messy, tangy, meaty, creamy, savory, and just a touch sweet from all the red wine vinegar in there. Oh, and all the delicious herbs in the chimichurri. This is an explosion going off in my mouth. You guys gotta try making a choripan at home, it's so good. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video, and go ahead and share this recipe if you want. I'd really appreciate it.